Cordell Davenport here, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website. There's a free report you can check out. It talks about 20 central reasons to own apartments, videos and articles and a variety of things I have on there. It's not all apartment related, but I have some stuff on there that also talks about self-improvement, which I'm a big fan of. And this small apartment owner tip video series is talking about having a plan for resident retention. You want your tenants to stay. The longer they stay, the more you get paid. But of course, you want to provide a good service to them. Now, once you fill your vacancies, your focus should always be on retention. And one of the highest expenses an owner encounters is turnover. Once a tenant vacates a property, the apartment has to be turned over or made ready. It can use floors, paint, new appliances. In addition to make ready costs, you as the owner, you have to spend money to get a new tenant. And that means by losing revenue every day the property is vacant. So focus your efforts on retaining the tenants who are already there. So there's things you can do before they move out. Show appreciation. There's all types of things you can do to be creative to make them a happy tenant that stays as long as possible. That's it for now. Check me out on my other series. Check out the website once again, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Adios.